Hello friends! Welcome back to the Learning Center, where we make school easier. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the respiratory system. So let's get started. The respiratory system is the system that controls our breathing. First, we breathe in oxygen through our nose. There are little hairs in our nose called nostrils. The nostrils catch the germs in the air so they don't come into our body. Then the air meets the epiglottis, which is a flap that makes sure the oxygen goes down the windpipe and the food goes down the esophagus. If you want to know more about the epiglottis and the esophagus, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our digestive system video. Now back to the respiratory system. The oxygen then goes through the windpipe called the trachea. The trachea then splits into two smaller tubes called the bronchi. At the end of the bronchi, you will find the lungs. But before the lungs, there are more little hairs called the cilia. The cilia catches the remaining germs that could harm the lungs. Near the lungs, there is an organ called the alveoli. The alveoli switches out the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. For instance, when we breathe in, we also have to breathe out. That is the alveoli taking in the oxygen and letting out the carbon dioxide. Underneath the lungs, there is an organ called the diaphragm. When we breathe in, our diaphragm contracts. When we breathe out, our diaphragm expands. And that's the respiratory system. I hope you all enjoyed and stay tuned for all our upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and I will see you all next time.